How do we give general managers insight into the capital investment process? What information can we provide them to justify capital expenditures? How can CoGo give general managers insight into the capital planning cycle and what investments need to be made on what pieces of equipment? CoGo provides analytical information directly within the EAM platform, so we can easily answer those questions when the general manager asks us as a maintenance superintendent. I'm going to expand our Power BI report that's directly within Business Central and directly within the EAM product. What this report is going to show us is what assets and their useful remaining accounting life. So what fixed assets, how much have depreciated, so what's their book cost, and what has increasing investment in terms of the dollars that it takes to repair it. In our left-hand quadrant, we can see a really easy chart that shows us at the top what's relatively new, at the bottom what's relatively old, on the left-hand side what's low cost in terms of the dollars that we're spending to maintain, and what's high cost in terms of the dollars that we're spending to maintain an asset. So during the capital planning cycle, a maintenance superintendent will be able to provide this information directly to the general manager to say, these are the assets in our lower right-hand quadrant that are old and perhaps we should discuss replacing with capital investment because they're costing us a lot of money to maintain. Because it's analytical information, we can click directly down into the individual asset and actually see what we're doing in terms of preventative versus corrective, what we're spending on labor versus parts, and give an overall view of what's been invested in that asset to date. So these tools being provided to the general manager help them to really strategically plan what dollars need to be invested in what asset and why. I'm Andy Pruitt, CEO of CoGo. You just saw a quick overview of what we can do. If you're interested in a full demo tailored to your needs, please reach out. I look forward to meeting you.